Hey guys, I just kind of want to touch base with you. It's Sunday evening, so tomorrow is going to be your first active assignment. I hope you guys all survived your first week fully online. So I just kind of want to go look at the screen together, go into the course, just give you guys a few updates. I've been sending out a lot of emails, but just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. So coming here at the announcement section, I want you guys to go and look at the course content. This is where you're going to be able to see the new schedule that I posted. You can see here, this is going to be the sample course calendar. If we are fully online the rest of the semester, you'll see it's color coded with a point scale. The points scale will be different than if we were to stay in the traditional classroom, but I did send you guys emails. You should all have that. When I submitted midterm grades, I sent you an email showing you what those points were based off of. And then I also showed you with this schedule how many points were still left to be attained for the semester. So you will see here active assignments are going to be each week. Exam will be on Friday, April 3rd. Well, it'll be open that entire week, but you will have till Friday at 11:59 to complete it, but it will be open on Monday. Active assignment, and then your final. So in this scenario, everything would be online, but it's going to be the same format. So just kind of get comfortable with that. Discussion post each week with the responses. One thing that I will note is see here, the discussion you did this week, it was the first week online and there was going to be a lot of questions. There was going to be a lot of hiccups. So I said Sunday, but going forward, everything will be due by Friday. So you need to post to the discussion board and submit your responses by Friday at 11:59 p.m. Okay. The idea is that everything will be completed by 11:59 p.m. That way I can get it graded and have you guys grades put in before the next week starts. So I want you guys to keep scrolling down. You see here I have the remaining points on this as well. But go to this week coming up and you're going to see your first active assignment. We're going to be going over diabetes this week. So here's your active assignment. You're going to be uploading this on a Word document. Not all things are compatible with Blackboard, but Word always works great. So you can go ahead and start it tonight if you want to, but it has to be submitted by 9:50 tomorrow. It's actually 10 o'clock is the cutoff that I can put on Blackboard. So to submit it, you would go on here. You would have your information answered on a Word document saved. Then you would come and you could either attach the file, you could even write a submission if you wanted to, and then submit it by the deadline. So pretty easy there. But I just kind of wanted to touch base with you guys, make sure that if you have any questions, feel free to email me, let me know. But do review that calendar and just kind of familiarize yourself with what the new expectations, the new grades. If you haven't already looked at your midterm grade, go ahead and look at that. And I'm looking forward to another good week. So I can't tell you enough. Email if you have any questions, and we'll keep it going. Have a good one, guys.